Okay, here we are sailing along on Thames Ford Lake, shaking out all the issues in the, actually there have been very few issues in the core sound with the new work we've done. She's moving right along, telltales flying. Just love the sound of that water on the hull. Just sailed by a loon, which is always exciting. And we're going to come about here in a minute. We're beating up a narrow little stretch here, so it gets a little more wind. Coming about. There we go. We're looking up at the sails. This is what it's all about. Sailing along here, enjoying the new work on the boat. How well she is sailing. Enjoying a pretty warm winter's day on Thames Ford Lake.